Mastering the art of describing trends, prepositions and phrases. Hello, language learners. Today we're diving into an incredibly useful skill set, the language of describing trends. This will not only boost your academic and professional vocabulary, but also enhance your overall comprehension and communication. We will focus on understanding and using the right prepositions and phrases for describing trends. Prepositions are small words that can make a huge difference. When it comes to describing trends, they help us indicate direction, change, and relationships. They help us answer questions like how, when, and where in relation to the trend. Some commonly used prepositions for describing trends include up, for an increase in a trend, down, for a decrease in a trend, to, when there's a change from one thing to another. These are just a few examples, and we'll delve into many more throughout this video. Phrases are groups of words that work together to convey a particular meaning. When it comes to describing trends, using the right phrases can give our descriptions a lot more depth and clarity. Here are a few examples. A sharp rise, for a quick, significant increase. A steady decline, for a continuous decrease at the same pace. A gradual shift, for a slow, noticeable change from one state to another. Remember, the adjectives we use in these phrases can greatly influence the description of our trends, so choose them wisely. Let's see how we can combine our prepositions and phrases to accurately and professionally describe trends. Sales went up dramatically. Here, up is our preposition indicating an increase, and dramatically is an adjective intensifying the description. Interest in the product went down slightly. In this example, down is the preposition indicating decrease, and slightly is the adjective describing the extent of the change. The company is shifting to a more consumer-centric model. Here, to is the preposition that shows change, and shifting describes the process of change. That's a wrap on prepositions and phrases for describing trends. These words and phrases are powerful tools in your English language toolkit, particularly in academic and professional contexts. Practice using them in your everyday language and observe how it brings clarity and precision to your descriptions. Remember, the art of describing trends is all about observing changes and articulating them effectively. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time. See you in our next video.